Today we'll see how to create GitHub account. So for that I opened Google. So here you type GitHub. You can type like GitHub or github.com. Just enter and open the first link. So if you open, so your GitHub link will open here. And if you observe here in this page, so we have two options. One is sign in and sign up. So if you have already account, you can using your credentials, you can do sign in. So if you're doing first time, so here we have one option that is sign up. So you can click on here, or either you can directly type your mail ID here and you can start your sign up for GitHub. So here what I'm doing, so we have two options. So here I'm clicking on this sign up. So as soon as you do sign up here, it will open this particular page. And again here, you will be having two options. So one is sign up for GitHub by using either Google account, that means Gmail account, or continue with your Apple account. And second option is manually filling the details. So instead of continue with the Google account, I am going with manually filling options. So this is straightforward. If you click on this, it will take you to new page and you can enter your Gmail username and password. So it will straightforward, it will create the GitHub account. So manual method, I am filling the details. So first I am filling my Gmail account. So this is my mail ID and here you enter your password. So you note it down somewhere, your password, so that you can remember that one. So here I'm entering my password and you re-enter here. So it telling that passwords should be strong. So I will try to change the password. And here I'm selecting the username. So here I'm selecting username as Azure ADB. So if this username is available, so it means the username is available. If it is not available, it will show you error here. So my region is India. So by default, it is coming that one. So next, I am directly clicking on create account. So here green color is coming means tick mark. So this particular username is available. So if you click on create account, so it is asking you to save the password. If you wish, you can save it, otherwise not now. So then, so this particular mail ID, you will receive the OTP. So I'm going to my mail ID. So I already received my code. So if I open this particular mail, so I can see my PIN here. So I will enter this particular PIN. So as soon as enter, so it will take you to you sign into GitHub page. So here, so this is my mail ID, which is I selected this one and I'm entering my password. So if I click on sign in, it will take you to our GitHub account page. So this is my existing account. So if I tag here, just add on account and yeah, so I selected existing mail ID, so that's why it took to existing account. So instead of that, I will use the mail ID which I used for creating the account. And I'm entering password. So whatever I entered password while creating the account, same password I'm entering here. And if I click on sign in, now it will take you to your new GitHub account. So here you can see here, so everything is new. So it's telling that create your first project. So ready to start building. So create a repository for new idea. So here you're getting your option, create repository. And you can see here, open user navigation menu. So if you click on this, so you are using here, it will display your username. So I given username as Azure ADP. And if you have any further accounts, so you can change to that particular account. So this is my new account. And if you want to do update your profiles, so click on profile and you can see here. So you can upload your profile image here. And at the same time, you can click on edit profile to edit your details. And here it is mentioning like joined 1 minute ago. So if I click on edit profile, so if you want to change your name, you can change it here and you can enter your basic details. So all your social accounts you can enter like LinkedIn, Facebook, GitHub account. So all this information you can enter here. So at the same time, you can uh, enter your status also. Okay, so all these details you can enter here. So, and one more thing, if you click on this, so here we have home button. So if you click on this home button, it will take you to again home button. And here it getting like create project. Okay. So next here you have all pull request, all repositories. So you can go through all these options here. So this is about creating the GitHub account. So if you really like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.